What's good, everybody? Bargain Brother back with you again. But this time I'm not in the bargain basement. I'm in the car and I'm getting ready to put this jacket on and go out here and do a little, quick walk, a couple laps around this track. It's a little chilly today, so I'm going to need a jacket. Just taking a quick break from trading. I already got my first few trades in this morning. They were successful option trades, so I'm happy about that. The reason I'm making this video today is because I want you to know what an uptrend actually looks like when you're looking at your daily stock charts. I'm going to use the daily chart as the example for this. And the reason I'm doing it is because, to be honestly, I'm ticked off because I'm seeing so much bad information out here by these quote unquote gurus that want to only tell you to trade one way. So before I get into this video, let me just make it really quick plain that I would like it if you would do 3 small favors for me. Walk all over that like button, subscribe so we can keep in touch, and sharing is caring, so by all means please do share this video. Now that we've gotten that out the way, trading is unique because there's so many ways that you can trade if you're trading stocks, and this also goes into cryptocurrency. You can day trade, which means you're entering and exiting the trade the same day. You can be a scalp trader where you're entering and exiting as soon as the trade gets a small minute gain. You can swing trade, which means you're holding the trade for a day up to a couple weeks, maybe even a couple months. Or you can long-term invest where you just jump into a position and you hold it for a long time. No way is right or wrong. By the way, I got my trade shirt on today. As you can see, it says, "Is it Monday yet?" with a bear at the top and a bull at the bottom. Pretty cool trading shirt given to me as a gift by Brother Ben. Check him out on Instagram. I'll put his link in there at Brother Ben. It's one of my trading partners, and we just kind of kick back and forth trading ideas and tickers that we're looking at all the time. Now, back to today's topic: how to recognize an uptrend. I see all these gurus telling you to basically just pick some, blue chip stock like Apple or Facebook and go and buy $5,000 worth and then just set it and forget it and come back and look at it in 6 months or a year. You know what? For a lot of people that's trading, you may not have $5,000. You may not have $1,000. You might have $500 as your capital that you have to trade with. And I'm here to tell you that you can still be a successful and profitable trader trading with a smaller cap. There is 6,000 or so stocks for you to choose from. So there's lots of stocks. You don't have to only look at stuff that's a couple $100 a share. I'm going to give you 2 examples, okay? How to recognize a confirmed uptrend. The examples I'm going to use are companies that you know really well, and they've been a hell of a bargain for a long time, and that's Ford and General Electric. The tickers are, for Ford is F, for General Electric is simply GE. Now the first one I'm going to put up is Ford. Ford has been on fire for the last couple months. If you got into Ford anytime between early to mid-January, you're probably somewhere between a 40 to 60% gain right now. Now, if you look on my chart, just want you to pay attention to the blue line, which is my 20-day moving average. I got a longer term moving average below that, but the blue line is what I'm using to determine whether or not I'm in an uptrend or if it's trending down. And as you can see, in the last couple months, it has been in a continuous uptrend. Now, just to confirm it, a continuous uptrend does not mean you will not have any red days. There will be days that stocks pull back even when you're in an uptrend. Understand that. But the stock did not break the 20-day moving average. In other words, it doesn't break below. Or even if it touched it and maybe broke below briefly, it didn't start a trend going below the 20-day moving average where it starts heading towards the 50 and the 200-day, which lets you know, okay, now this sucker is maybe in a downtrend. It's been in an uptrend for the last couple months, and there was a lot of profit for you to be had. If you put your money in Ford and probably left it there for any period of a week or 2, you were probably looking at a double-digit percentage gain. Okay, next I'm going to put up General Electric, and I'm using the same thing. I'm using the daily chart. Okay, the daily chart here shows that GE in the months of October, through December of 2020 was an absolute monster. If you got into GE anywhere between, I think the low was around $6.50, anywhere up to about $8, you were winning, and you were winning big. So, if you don't like 30 and 40% gains and 50% gains, then don't listen to me. But what I'm showing you is real stuff. It's not this, follow me because I know everything. No, I don't know everything. I've been trading for several years. It's a constant learning process, but you get out what you put in, and I've put a lot into it. As you can see on this General Electric chart, there's some spikes involved, but even when it comes down, when the price comes down, you can see it still never goes below that 20-day moving average, which again is the blue line that I have there, which lets you know that it's still in an uptrend. Okay? So I just wanted to make sure I put that out there, how to recognize an uptrend. All right, guys, I'd be glad to hear from you, so please leave comments in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching this video, and there will be more of these coming as I continue my quest to help you save or make a buck or two or more. For 2021, I'll be honest, we're going to do a lot of focusing on making a buck or two or more. So stay tuned for videos related to, side hustles, stock market, cryptocurrency, and I'll even throw in, some stuff like travel saving hacks and things like that in there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here and hit this track and get a couple laps in, and then go back and see what the market is doing. Talk to you guys soon. Have a very green day today. Later.